Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a very simple trading system in order to trade profitably for the Euro US dollar pair. And this strategy works very well for me, and it gives very rare fake signals. If I apply this, it makes a lot of pips, and I'm going to show you how you can use it to trade. And if you have any problem, contact me and I'm going to help you. It's very easy to trade this particular pair, and if you use my strategy, you're gonna make a lot of pips with it. So I use the 4 hours time frame in trading this particular pair, and the indicators I use is the MR10 and MR24 for this particular currency pair. And if you go to your meta trading toolbar, you can see from the inserts indicators, and then you go to the trend and moving average. So here we're gonna input the MR10. Moving average method is the exponential, and apply to the close, and we choose the color for the shorter moving average 10 to be blue. So here you see the blue line, this is the shorter moving average. And then also we go the same, and then we choose for the longer moving average 24. So we input the MI24 here, and then we're gonna choose the color to be blue red, and then apply close. So here you can see the MR10 as the blue line and MR24 as the red line. So if you are trading with this kind of system, you're gonna remember that when the shorter moving average or the blue line crosses above the longer moving average, the red line is a buy signal, and when the longer moving average, the red line crosses above the smaller moving average, is a sell signal. So for example, here in this candle in 4 hours chart, and on the 13th of uh, April 2012, we had a cross of the longer moving average red line above the shorter moving average blue line. So here you can see that if you had entered a short position, after you're gonna wait after the close of the last candle. This is one candle. After the close of one candle in 4 hours, you're gonna wait for the next candle. If the moving average is still giving you a sell signal, then you enter a sell. So let's assume that you entered a sell at this point of the candle 1.3084. You can see that the market was down until 1.2992 area before it went up again. And then if you had entered your, or if you enter your short position, you should protect your trading with at least 100 pips stop loss. So you're gonna target like 100 pips or 200, and you put your stop loss 100 pips below your entry if you are on buy, and above your entry if you're on sell. So let's say another example. Here you can see the cross of the blue line, the shorter moving average above the longer period at this point. So you can see if you had entered a long here, it was a choppy market because the market was trending in a very short style. It wasn't going up, it was a kind of sideways market in these charts. So you can see that the market gave a sell signal, and a little time it gave a buy signal again here. So if you had entered a buy, let's say for example after this crossing here in this 4 hours time frame, you can see you wait for the last candle to close. So this is the candle that gave a signal here. So you enter a buy here, and you put your stop loss 100 pips. So let's say that you entered buy here at 1.3111. Your stop loss is going to be 1.3911. 1.3011, sorry. So you're gonna put your stop loss. If you see the low of this candle was 1.3070, so the stop loss was not hurt. So again, if you go long on this or buy on this crossing, you can see that the market was still bullish up to this date, up to this on the 27th of April 2012. So if you are long or you bought this currency pair, you're gonna wait until this crossing of the red line against the blue line, which is the longer period against the shorter period. If it crosses against this blue line again, you're gonna exit your buy position and sell it again after the confirmation with the 4 hours candle. So this strategy is very nice and works very well for this particular currency pair. If you use it, I hope you're gonna make a lot of pips in this market. If you have any question, contact me and I'm gonna help you out with your trading system. Goodbye.